Hello, my name is Charlene Turner, and I'm an education consultant with Teacher-Created Materials, and I've been an educator for over 20 years, specializing in mathematics education. I'm delighted to introduce you to a powerful new supplemental resource from Teacher-Created Materials, Focused Instruction Mathematics Intervention. This powerful resource is a comprehensive, research-based, teacher-led program which builds deep mathematical connections through a structured yet adaptable approach. Whether you're supporting students with Tier 1 reteaching, Tier 2 small groups, or Tier 3 intensive interventions, this teacher-led program is flexible and ready to meet the needs of all learners. Let's dive into the components, starting with the assessment guide. With quick, easy-to-administer assessments available in print and digital formats, teachers can pinpoint skill gaps, create targeted instructional plans, and monitor progress to boost student achievement. Assessment tools include a placement test, benchmark assessments, quick checks within lessons, and summative assessments to gauge understanding and respond to learning needs. Performance can be analyzed by standard, student, or class using detailed, real-time reports when using the digital format. Next is a teacher's guide, which contains 30 teacher-led lessons. Each lesson is laser-focused on a critical math concept like place value, operations, geometry, or problem solving, and follows an easy-to-follow 5-part instructional model to build understanding step by step. Lessons include explicit instruction using the Concrete-Representational-Abstract method, which strengthens mathematical understanding, guided and independent practice, academic language and vocabulary development, formative assessments, structured reteaching, guided problem solving, rich math tasks, and dedicated time for discourse. Lessons also include built-in differentiation and multilingual support to meet the needs of all students. To make it easy for all teachers to use, lessons are softly scripted, which balances structure with teacher autonomy and creativity. Every lesson includes an overview page to streamline planning, featuring a common student misconception with strategies to address it. You'll also find step-by-step plans to deliver meaningful instruction aligned to the Concrete-Representational-Abstract method. Next are the instructional routine cards. We know students thrive when they have consistent routines, and our instructional routine cards support consistent lesson delivery. There are 2 types of routines: language-based routine cards that support meaningful math discourse and problem-solving skills, and manipulatives-based routine cards that reinforce key strategies like modeling thinking to deepen conceptual understanding. Each routine features multilingual and scaffolded supports. To make implementation seamless, lesson plans clearly indicate which routine to use and when, ensuring that teachers can easily integrate the appropriate routine into instruction. Next is the management guide. The management guide includes built-in pacing plans and ready-to-use tools, which help teachers minimize prep time. It's packed with research foundations, pedagogical insights, intervention tips, and grouping strategies for various instructional settings. Everything you need to strengthen your professional knowledge. Here, you'll also find how the program aligns to current research and best practices. The student-guided practice book is colorful and interactive. This book is aligned with CRA in mind. It gives students a space to think deeply, draw models, solve problems, and reflect on their learning. The focus activity pages include both guided and independent practice, formative assessments, guided problem solving, rich math tasks, and game-based learning. The games booklet is another feature of this program. Math isn't just about numbers. It's about thinking, reasoning, and communicating. In Focus Instruction Math, game-based learning is embedded into the lessons. The games booklet features 6 fun, purpose-driven games with built-in variations. These games are designed to allow students to practice foundational skills and to apply new skills that they're learning. Learning in this way boosts student engagement, strengthens math fluency, and promotes collaboration and critical thinking. In the kit, you'll also find all of the resources needed to play the games. Everything we've explored so far is available on the dedicated TCM Learning Platform, a time-saving, fully accessible digital environment that offers real-time student feedback on assessments to inform instructional decisions. It also provides centralized access to all program components and supports the delivery of instruction and student activities in one seamless location, making it ideal for a variety of learning environments. From traditional classrooms to virtual or blended settings, the platform also includes assignable digital student pages, auto-scored assessments with real-time data, digital versions of all kit components, instructional slides aligned to each lesson, professional development videos, quick view slides to save time for teachers and make lesson delivery easier. It even has homeschool connection resources. Focused instruction mathematics intervention is flexible and easy to use, reducing teachers' planning time and prep time. It's teacher-led and data-driven, designed for use across RTI and MTSS tiers. It's grounded in best practices taken from current education research. It's strategic, combining explicit instruction with conceptual understanding. It's inclusive with multilingual supports and visual scaffolds. And it's an engaging resource with collaborative discourse, hands-on practice, and frequent student engagement and success. Thank you for unboxing Focused Instruction Mathematics Intervention with me. With this effective, research-driven resource in your hands, you're fully equipped to build math confidence, close learning gaps, and inspire your students to see themselves as mathematicians. To learn more about this program, visit the Teacher Created Materials website, and let's make math meaningful together.